started dating guys outside the university. And actually,
Ganun, no?
all of them were working na. So, when was that? I started dating after that guy. Kasi parang I met this one day old chick.
Yung balot.
Day old
The
day.
balot guy.
After,
The day old
parang
guy.
I met him 2008, 2000.
Hindi pa tayo magkakilala.
Oh, ha?
Hindi pa tayo magkakilala.
Di pa. Parang wala pa ata ako nun sa,
Sa buhay mo. Ganun.
Hindi pa kami magkakalala ni Elvia. So, after that, mga working na.
Mga.
O kasi,
So, anong year ka na nun?
2010, fourth year college.
pag-graduate na.
So, parang, pero kasi 5 years ako sa
Tsaka
UP.
nag-work ka eh.
Nag-part-time din ako.
Oo,
Oo, totoo
oo.
yun. Pero fourth year college, as in student lang ako nun. Yung dinidate.
The Dinkwap Show.